So here in this video I'm just going to create or make you elaborate with the creating of a simple function and how to call a function. So in this regard, what I have done, I have created a file with the name of function.php, and here I have written some code here, and here we have to start the PHP script in order to create the function. So I'm just going to create the function here. So I'm just going, here we go with the title function creation in PHP, that I have given the title to the page, and here I just wanted to display a message like say function creation and calling the function. So done with this. So in order to create a function, what I have to use, I have to use function keyword. So here we got the function keyword, and here we have to give the name of the function. So I'm just giving the name to this function. I say display message. So I'm giving the name to the function, say display msg, and here we have to put the parenthesis to declare the function. So what we have done, we have used the function keyword and the name given to the function is display msg, and after the name I have to put the immediately parenthesis. Then I have to write the body of the function, so that I have to write within the curly bracket. So this is start and end of the curly bracket. So here I'm just going to write echo, and in the echo I'm just writing a message, you are a nice person and it's really nice to see you here. So this is done, and then at the end I have to put the semicolon to terminate the sentence. So this is what I have done. I have declared a function there. So in order to use this function, what I have to do, I have to call this function. So in order to call the function, I have to give the name of the function. Say the name of the function is display msg, and here we have to put it along with its parenthesis. Whenever we have to call the function, we have to call it, give the name of the function, then along with the parenthesis. So we have done with this. So here we are going to save the changes using the Ctrl+C, and here we are in the browser, and in browser we have opened the localhost PHP folder, and in the PHP folder we have to go for this file, that is function.php. So I'm going to click on this, and here I have written two messages there, function creation and calling the function, that I have done using this echo method. And here what I have done, I have created a function display message, and this echo message this function will execute this code. Okay, whenever I will call this function will execute this code, and what I have done here, I have called this function. So this is how we can create a function in PHP and call that function using its name and along with its parenthesis. So that's all for the now, and the next video I will come to you along within another example.